Thoroughly cleaning and disinfecting high-use facilities can be quite a challenge. Not only are there a lot of germs to contend with, but there is a lot of surface area to cover within a limited time. Canberra Corporation has met this challenge with the Checkmate Electrostatic Cleaning System. Checkmate provides better surface coverage while using less chemicals to effectively reduce the spread of harmful bacteria, molds, and viruses. Using electrostatic charging, Checkmate provides fast, uniform application of Huskie brand chemicals. It works by attaching a positive charge to each droplet of the chemical. These droplets are attracted to the negative charges on surfaces. This allows for consistent, comprehensive application. Electrostatic charging even enables the chemical to wrap around hard-to-reach areas, and this coverage is possible in a fraction of the time of conventional methods. Checkmate was designed for use with the Huskie suite of fast-acting chemicals. Huskie 814 is a rapid-kill disinfectant that kills norovirus in 30 seconds. The Checkmate line also includes Huskie 830, a multi-surface food-grade sanitizer. All natural mold control and residual mold prevention can be achieved with Huskie 418. For a 4-in-1 hospital-grade disinfectant, Huskie 824 requires no rinse for most surfaces and kills influenza type A in 1 minute. Huskie 892 cleans and disinfects a wide range of bacteria and viruses in 5 minutes, including norovirus. Checkmate offers 2 lightweight, self-contained sprayers that operate on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, the compact handheld unit, and the convenient backpack unit. With Checkmate's unrivaled combination of superior chemistry and modern technology, your cleaning and disinfection challenges have met their match. Get more effective coverage. Reduce application and dwell time. Use less chemicals. And take charge of a better clean with the Checkmate Electrostatic Cleaning System from Canberra Corporation.